Hello everyone, I am Joe from JM Food Trips. In this video, I will share to you a precious exotic food adventure and also a unique family bonding. So stop scrolling because what I'm about to eat is not normal. In the Philippines, there's a delicacy that most people would never expect. Beetles. Yes, real crunchy flying insects turned into food. I know what you're thinking. No way I'm eating that. The same as you, that's what I was thinking and in my mind as well. But today I'm going to try it, so you don't have to. They say it's crispy, nutty, and surprisingly good. But honestly, I'm not ready for this. So join me and let's see if we will be victors in this food challenge. It started when we visited my uncle, the oldest brother of my father in Northern Province. They prepared so many dishes. We ate and ate, but it feels just an ordinary meal. Nothing is special. Until late afternoon, my uncle asked us to join him in preparing a dish from scratch for our unusual snacks, special chicharrones, the roasted salagubang. First, let me introduce to you, what is salagubang? This is most commonly referring to the June bug or May beetle. They are heavy-bodied nocturnal scarab beetles known for emerging in massive swarms at the start of the rainy season and being drawn to artificial lights. The adults feed on foliage like mango and banana leaves. Their larval stage, known as white grubs, lives in the soil and feeds on plant roots. In the Philippines, it is known as a seasonal source of protein-rich snack. Here we go. So instead of vacation and bringing food, my uncle brought us a lesson. He said, "Today I will teach you how to hunt beetles." I thought he was joking. Like, what kind of family bonding activity is this? Before we head out of the house, my uncle announced a reminder. All right, guys, this is the best time to find beetles, right after the rain. When the ground is wet, beetles come out of the soil, and at night they're attracted to lights. So grab a flashlight and let's go hunting. Check around trees, streetlights, and damp soil. Look, there's one. Easy to spot because they move slow after the rain. Just pick them up carefully. Use gloves if you want and place them in a container. But remember, only collect from clean areas. No pesticides. In just a few minutes, you can gather enough for cooking. From rain to food, that fast. Would you try this? So we go outside after the rain, dark, muddy, wet ground. And my uncle is walking around like a survival expert. He points at the light and says, "Look, that's where they come out." Suddenly, I'm not on a family visit anymore. I'm in a wildlife documentary. Then he says, "Catch it carefully. Don't be scared." Don't be scared? Uncle, it has wings and attitude. But we catch one, then another, and he's smiling like we just secured dinner for the apocalypse. And me? I came here to visit family. I accidentally joined a beetle hunting training program. We shook all the mango trees, bananas, and other trees around his house. So many beetles fell from the trees to the ground and we picked it up one by one. So after the beetle hunting lesson, we actually came home with a container full of beetles. And my uncle, he's smiling like we just went fishing, but instead of fish, it's bugs. We all sat in the patio, tired and laughing about the experience while my uncle were preparing the beetles for cooking. First, he removed the wings, the outer and inner wings. Yes, the beetle has a thick outer wings and a thin inner wings below it. After he completed the wings removal of the beetles, he washed it well. I'm standing there like, "So, this is dinner now? This is life now?" Then he says, "Okay, we cook." "Cook?" "Uncle, we just had a safari experience and now it's dinner time." So he starts heating the pan, garlic goes in, and suddenly the whole kitchen smells amazing. And I hate that it smells amazing because my brain is still saying insects, but my nose is like, restaurant quality garlic butter. Then he drops them in the pan. Sis, that sound. That's the sound of my childhood innocence leaving my body. He stirs it like a professional chef, like this is completely normal Tuesday cooking. And then he says, "Try it, fresh from hunting." Fresh from hunting? Uncle, this is not a hunting channel, but I'll try it. I worked hard for hunting it anyway. All right, this is it. June beetle. If I disappear after this, you know why. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Crunch, crunch. Wait, hold on. And now I understand why he's smiling, because it's actually good, and I hate that I like it. Why is that actually good? Who approved this? Why does this taste like a snack? It's crunchy like chips. Then boom, nutty flavor. And wait, why am I getting shrimp vibes? This is confusing. My brain is like, this is an insect, but my mouth is like, give me another one right now. No, because I was ready to be traumatized. And now I'm low-key enjoying this Filipino food. You did it again. I came in scared, and now I'm just hungry for more. Why is that good? Who cooked this? Who decided this was okay to be delicious? It's crunchy like a chip, no crunchier than my life decisions. And then, boom, nutty flavor, and why? Why am I tasting shrimp? Explain that. My brain is panicking. It's like this is an insect, but my mouth is throwing a party. No, because I was ready for trauma, emotional damage, life regrets, but this is a snack. I came here for fear and left with flavor. Philippines, what is this power? Because apparently I didn't suffer enough the first time, and honestly, it was delicious. So after that first beetle, I told myself, okay, one is enough. Be normal, stop while you still have dignity. But no, here I am again, staring at another June beetle like it owes me money. Why does it look bigger this time? Did it evolve? Did it tell its friends? All right, deep breath. I'm going in again. 3, 2, 1, crunch. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Why is this even better than the first one? This one is extra crunchy, like it upgraded, like it went to school and learned flavor. It's nutty, it's savory, it's giving roasted peanut, it's giving garlic chip, it's giving why am I enjoying this too much? My brain is officially confused. I came here for relaxation and vacation, not addiction. At this point, I'm not eating beetles anymore. The beetles are eating my self-control. And why am I reaching for another one? No, stop. Don't cut to me doing it again. Okay, fine. One more. And the rest of the vacation goes on. What does a June beetle taste like according to foreigners? June beetles have a surprisingly pleasant taste, especially when cooked properly, fried or roasted. Flavor profile, it's nutty, similar to roasted peanuts, slightly shrimp-like, a mild seafood taste. Savory, especially with garlic, salt, or soy sauce. Earthy, subtle, but not overpowering. The texture, very crunchy outside like chips or chicharron, slightly soft inside when freshly cooked. First time reaction, most people say, it's weird at first, but actually good. I expected worse, but it tastes like a snack. The biggest challenge is mental, not flavor. Once you get past the idea of eating an insect, many are surprised it's tasty. This is actually legit food, like, I could snack on this while watching a movie. What is happening? I went from absolutely not to, wait, can I get more in like 10 seconds? All right, final verdict, bravery level, 10 out of 10. Taste, honestly, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. Would I eat it again? Don't judge me. But yes, Filipino food, you got me. I came in scared, and now I'm leaving slightly traumatized, but also full and impressed. For those of you who wanted the full recipe details, here it is. Here's a simple, safe, and common way to prepare and cook edible beetles, like June beetles. Make sure they come from a clean, pesticide-free source and are properly cleaned before eating. Preparing beetles, important first step. 1. Collect or buy safely, only from areas not sprayed with chemicals. 2. Clean thoroughly, rinse in clean water several times. 3. Remove wings and hard legs, optional but recommended for texture. 4. Soak in salt water for 10 to 15 minutes to remove dirt. 5. Pre-boil, optional but safer. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes to kill bacteria, although I prefer not boiling it to keep the flavor. It's just me. Garlic fried beetles, most popular method. Ingredients, cleaned beetles, garlic, lots of it. Cooking oil or butter, salt and pepper. Optional, chili, soy sauce, and vinegar. Steps: 1. Heat oil in a pan. 2. Saute garlic until golden. 3. Add beetles and fry until crispy, about 5 to 8 minutes. 4. Season with salt, pepper, or a splash of soy sauce. 5. Add chili if you want it spicy. The result is crunchy, nutty, slightly, and shrimp-like flavor. Safety tips. Only eat known edible species. Not all beetles are safe. Avoid beetles from polluted or sprayed areas. Cook thoroughly, never eat raw. Try small amounts first, in case of allergies. I hope you enjoyed this food adventure. If you are new to this channel, please support by clicking the like, subscribe, and share below. Also, click the video next to me for more thrilling food adventure videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.